How to fix if your Amazon Prime application keeps on crashing. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If the app is not working or keeps on crashing, here are some of the troubleshooting steps that can help to fix the issue. First and foremost, make sure to update the application. For this, go to Google Play Store or App Store and search for Amazon Prime Video. And if you see an update button, tap on it. It can help to resolve bugs and improve the compatibility. Another solution would be to restart the app and device. For this, close the Amazon Prime Video app entirely and restart your device to refresh its memory, which can resolve the temporary glitches and help you fix the issue. Likewise, make sure you have a stable internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the app works better in which. After that, you can relaunch the application. Another solution you can try is clearing cache and data. For this, you can either go to Settings, Apps, and then into Information, or long press the app shortcut directly. Then go to App Info and tap on Storage and Cache. Then after, tap on Clear Cache and then on Clear Data. However, note that this will log you out of the application. Another thing you need to do is disable battery optimization. So go to Previous Page and tap on Battery. For the Amazon Prime Video, select Don't Optimize or Allow Background Activity. Another thing that you can do is reinstall the app from the App Store or Play Store. This resolves issue due to corrupted files or installation problem. However, if none of the steps work, there may be a temporary server issue with Amazon Prime Video. You can confirm it using sites like Down Detector or its official social media. That is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.